Hey everybody, I'm Matt. Today we're going to open a Kenyan top bar hive. It's kind of got sloped sides and the bees live in there. It's springtime and it's the first time I've had a look. Can you press pause, Natty? We can edit this later. Hey baby.
Sammy, we're in the chicken area.
We're in the chicken area. Alright, I'm not overwhelmed by all the honey, that's for sure. There's a bit of honey, some bees and a bit of honey. Oh, it's connected. The most important thing with top bar beekeeping is you've got to make sure the sides of the combs aren't connected to the hive, otherwise it just rips apart and the bees get cross. Oh. Now this comb, that comes up the whole way. Now if I kill one of these bees, if I'm a bit rough and I squash a bee right now, that bee will send a message, or like the other bees will get a message that I'm mean. And they'll try and bite me and get cross. I've got to be careful. Now, it's a bit of honey, but it's not like shit tons of honey. So I'm just going to walk away, I think. Actually, one more. Let's go one more. I'd need some honey, don't I? The kids are nodding, aren't you kids? My kids are my camera crew, my helpers. Now that bee's cross. First bee is cross. Oh. Now that is actually a bar of honey. And the next one is too. I might have to get some honey out of these guys, I think. Otherwise if they get full now, they'll swarm on me. Right now, this bar is blocking them. Although, hang on. What do I do there? Making a mess. Well, there's brood. Alright. So I can't do that there. I'm sorry, girls. Now they're a bit cross. Bit of smoke. Give them a mini. Alright, now they're coming out a little bit. Excuse me, girls. Sorry. Now this one, I think that I'm going to have to take a little bit of honey here. I think that's the one. Oh, that wants to fall off, eh? Now, a little bit. In you go. Sorry, girls. It's not kind. Whoop. Whoop. Cross bees. Just chill out for a sec. I'm sorry, girls. It's not kind. It's really not. And now the message has gone out. Sorry, girls. A little bit of smoke just to dampen down that message. Well, that was better than I expected. That's cool. There's one bee. Just get out of there. I'm sorry. It's not kind. I know it's your honey. That one cheeky bee. Come on. There we go. There. That is delicious. Suburban honey. I think suburban honey is the best kind of honey, but I'm biased. There. Put that in there, Shabish. Now I'm going to put that there to give them a bit of space and hope that they do alright here. They could swarm as well, the cheeky buggers, because they've got brood on one side and honey on the other, but they should get through that, eh? Anyway, scusi. And that's it. Thanks for watching.